Welcome to episode 134 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to talk about a triplet arpeggio, or basically arpeggios in threes, in groups of threes. And this makes for a really good picking exercise. It really involves a lot of kind of moving around your left hand, and it's also a nice way to get inside the major scale. So I'll do it in A, start basically just in the major scale. And the idea here is that you're going up an arpeggio. An arpeggio is just all the notes in a chord played in a row like a scale. So major chord, that's the arpeggio, basically. And what I'm going to do then is play the first three notes, and then go to the second note of the scale itself, then play the three notes of the chord built on that. So it goes like this. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and all the way up to 8. To the root, like that. So once again, I'm playing through every note in the scale, and then playing the first three notes of the chord that's built on that note of the scale. So it involves every note in the major scale, just going up in these threes. So once again. Like that. It makes for a great picking exercise in your right hand because you're doing a lot of jumping. Your left hand is some pretty unusual jumps that you have to do. You probably wouldn't do otherwise. And then going down again. That's it. I'll play it once again very slow, starting at the bottom. Again, we're in A. Try to get them all very, very clean and hold them as long as possible. Makes for just a great exercise with the metronome, and just good to kind of get to know the scale a little bit, especially starting on the different notes. So hope this is a nice little challenge for you. Please let me know any comments or questions you might have, and don't forget to subscribe.